I just stumbled upon this app called Maestro, and it seems to orchestrate AI agents like a conductor with an orchestra.
Maestro, that sounds intriguing. So it helps manage multiple AI projects simultaneously.
Exactly, it's like a power user's dream come true. It can run tasks in parallel with a responsive interface. Imagine the productivity boost.
Wow, that's promising. But how does it handle context? Isn't that a challenge with multiple agents?
Right, that's the cool part. Each task gets a fresh session with a clean context, which minimizes confusion.
I can see how that would be a game changer, especially for developers juggling many tasks. But what about long-running sessions?
It actually supports sessions lasting nearly 24 hours. That's impressive for continuous workflows.
Wait, seriously. I'd be worried about maintaining focus after such a long session.
Totally, but I guess it's about setting up the right workflows. You know, like creating playbooks for repeatable tasks.
Ah, playbooks. So it's basically a way to automate and batch process tasks using markdown checklists.
Exactly, it allows you to keep track of everything while letting AI handle the heavy lifting.
That's smart, but what happens if an agent gets stuck? Does it have any fail-safes?
Great question. It features message queuing, so if an agent is busy, it queues up messages until they're available.
That's a clever way to prevent losing any thoughts. How about collaboration? Can multiple agents communicate?
Absolutely. It has this group chat feature that lets a moderator AI coordinate discussions between agents.
So it sounds like it can synthesize responses across different projects. That's pretty advanced.
For sure, but I wonder what are the limitations? Like, how well do these agents actually collaborate?
That's the million-dollar question. The effectiveness might vary based on the agent's capabilities.
True, and if one agent is much more capable than another, it could skew results.
Exactly. And I'm also curious about its user-friendliness. Is it easy for non-techies to navigate?
It's designed for power users, so there's definitely a learning curve, but it has a keyboard-first design which could help.
A keyboard-first approach. That sounds efficient, but will it alienate those who prefer a mouse-driven interface?
Good point, balancing that could be tricky. They might need to offer more intuitive features for casual users.
Right? And I wonder how accessible the documentation is for new users. Is there enough support?
It looks like they have comprehensive documentation, plus a community on Discord for real-time help.
That's reassuring. Community support can be a lifesaver, especially for troubleshooting.
Definitely, and the fact that it tracks usage and costs in real time is pretty handy too.
Cost tracking. That's smart. It could prevent unexpected surprises when running multiple agents.
Exactly, and they even have achievements for users based on their usage, which sounds fun.
Achievements. That's a neat way to gamify productivity. But does it feel gimmicky?
I see your point. It could feel like a distraction if not implemented carefully.
Right? It's all about finding that balance between motivation and focus.
Totally, and speaking of focus, the tool's ability to filter outputs could help maintain clarity.
Output filtering. Now that's useful. It can make navigating complex data much easier.
Exactly, but I wonder how customizable those filters are. Can users really tailor them to their needs?
That's crucial. If it's too rigid, users might find it frustrating instead of helpful.
Right, flexibility is key in making it a valuable tool, otherwise it could be limiting.
So to sum it up, Maestro has some amazing features, but it needs to cater to a wider audience.
Absolutely, it's all about user experience. If they can nail that, it could be groundbreaking.
I can't wait to see how it evolves. It's like they're at the forefront of AI productivity tools.
For sure, and who knows, with community feedback, it might become even more user-friendly.
Exactly. I'm excited to see where this leads. What feature do you think will stand out?
I think the group chat feature will really shine. It could redefine how we collaborate with AI.
Agreed. That could change the game for teamwork in tech. Let's keep an eye on its progress.
Definitely, and who knows, maybe we'll find ourselves using Maestro in our own projects.